We set up the group in 2018, I believe, because myself and Julie discovered this site, which is a beautiful area for nature, and it was literally covered in 20 years of litter. So both of us had separate interests in litter picking, so we set up the group together and constituted it, and so we began our litter picking journey. There's people here that I don't even know, so that's a really nice surprise. Remarkable to see the difference, and it does give us some sort of ownership over it from the teenagers and the antisocial behaviour.
Normally I take him for walks down here and I'd have to pick him up the whole way because of the glass and the litter. And I didn't want him choking on anything or eating anything. But now it's a lot better and I can let him on the floor as much as I need to. The dog can actually walk.